Hey, time to change the spark plug in the John Deere D105. Let me show you how easy it is to do it. Alright? Come here. Got 90 hours on it. Under the hood here, it suggests changing the spark plug at 50 hours. Let me show you how easy it is. Right down here. Got a Champion spark plug, RC 12YC. That's what they recommend. When it's running, it seems like a little miss, like a little bump in the idle, you know. And I figured it probably needs a spark plug by now. It's pretty easy, watch. Got my feeler gauge, should be set to 0.030. My 5/8 socket. An extension. It's right down here along the exhaust pipe. Don't burn yourself if it's hot. Pull this right off. Put that on there. So easy. So easy a deer can do it. What do you think it's going to look like? Burnt or not? Kind of burnt compared to a new one. Look at the new one. Champion. Big difference, right? Is that a Champion? Yeah, it's a Champion. RC 12YC, just like I said. And we want this gapped at 30. I'm gonna use these right there. 30, look at that, exactly. All right. Let's see what the other one was gapped at, just to be curious. Oh, less than 30. Huh. Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say there's a little dirt in there. That's why. Could clean that up, you know, like we used to do with the old cars. But for $5, might as well put a new one in. Remember, if this goes on an angle. Nice. Well, that was less than 5 minutes, wasn't it, Deere? Do this till you get it hand tight. Just make it hand tight with your extension here, and then tighten it with the wrench. There we are. Couple turns, look. That's it. Don't go crazy on it. Click this back on. If you have a rag, clean it off. It's okay in there. Sometimes we put some silicone on there so it don't stick. But it's not going anywhere. Hear that nice click? All right. That's it. Start it up, drive it around, see if I notice any smoothness. Let's see how she runs. Boy, that's nice and smooth, I'll tell you. I love it.